Have you ever forgotten which fingerprint are registered on your phone? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes a feature that lets you check whether a fingerprint has been added and identify its assigned name. Let me show you how. First, open Setting. Scroll down and tap Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Screen Lock and Biometric. Enter your current screen lock. Under Biometric section, tap Fingerprint. Then tap Check Added Fingerprint. A fingerprint scanner screen will appear. For this example, let's scan a fingerprint. Place one of your fingers on the fingerprint sensor. If the fingerprint has been registered, your phone will display the name assigned to that fingerprint. Now, let's try to scan another finger. If the fingerprint isn't recognized, your phone will display fingerprint doesn't match. This means that the finger has not been added to your fingerprint list. When you are finished, tap Done to close the scanner. Given to its function, this feature can help you identify which finger are already registered, check whether a specific finger has been added, or find the correct fingerprint before renaming or deleting it. And that's how you check which fingerprint are registered on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.